currently 10:01. And we're really hyper. So we got up and went to breakfast this morning. And that was good. I had pancakes. Grits and pancakes and sausage gravy biscuits.
Look at my eyes. We're bored.
We're bored. We're bored. I want to play the Wii. Can we play the Wii?
Okay.
We're
looking down there. Look at there.
But my mouth doesn't move when I talk. Watch it. It moves like a second slower. This is cool. My mouth is slow. What?
I squished my own head.
Lindsay and her friend.
So look at our messy kitchen. No, I did not just pick my nose. No, I didn't.
Yes, she did. When I cough, the little goes up. Ew!
I'm so bored.
Quit rocking. Hey, Lindsay.
Bark.
Bark. Bark, bark. She's retarded.
Your mom's retarded. I'm just kidding.
Me!
Can you lick your elbow? No. Not possible.
It's no possible.
This video is gonna be really boring.
This is really boring.
Hey,
Internet world.
GTJJ06. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And rating us 3 stars because we're losers. But thank you.
Good looking out.
The rest of you, if you don't watch this video, we can kick your ass, track you down, and stomp on your kneecaps.
Like the middle school nurse. No, for real. Our middle school nurse told us that one time.
Yeah, I was sick. Why am I not in the bank? Oh, what were you doing? I think we were doing something. I think I was sick or something. And the nurse hit her head on the flower pot that was dangling in the air. She goes, if anybody tells...
If you tell anybody that, I'll track you down and stomp on your kneecaps.
And we were like, oh my goodness. Yeah, you like that, didn't you?
Copyrighted by Meredith and Hannah.
And Hannah, and the school nurse. Why
And
am I
school
going backwards?
Because you're retarded. You don't know how to stay in the camera.
But, anyways. So watch this. I'll watch you. Actually, that was really stalkerish. I'm not watching you. I'm not a stalker. You butt out the frame.
She is in fact a stalker. It's okay.
Just to let you know, my head was in the way of your butt.
Okay, well, bye.
No!
I was just kidding. Not bye. Not bye.
I was kidding. Bye.
Ciao.